What? Really?
One bird died in the storm on board because it ran away,
Oi.
and the other two died. Hi. And the other two, my birds that was hard to catch, killed by cats.
What? Really? How sad.
Whoa. There.
She's scared.
It looks like a fruit fountain.
You say it's like a fruit fountain?
Oh, what do you think about your fruit fountain, huh?
Pretty cool.
Hi. Hello. I think it's in my whoever there. What's that stuff on top? Oh, that's
Some good food, huh?
They're busy walking on their feet on the soil. Yeah, they grow together. That's what they scatter through your whole garden. It's gonna be like fucking nuts.
Yeah? Is that a fact? Is that backed up with scientific evidence?
I don't think that's true. That's neat. Alright, thank you.
That's what?
So that's clean.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, this one right here. It hurts. Wow, my nails need to be done for real. My nails look so bad. And I have dirty toes. Why did you get this overcast a while ago this long? Because I'll get them done before the wedding around. Did you notice the change